Hi guys, how are you all? I think everyone is well. Today I am going to show you data science project with the Google Antigravity. In this project, we will do the data science task like EDA and train the model. We will use the Google Antigravity AI agentic workflow to do the project, and we will also make the Streamlit app with the help of agentic workflow. If you have not much time to watch this video until end, then please use the 2x speed of YouTube, and let's start this video without wasting time. Here is the Google Anti-Gravity. It's similar like VS Code, and I give my prompt to Gemini, and now it running, and here it giving also response. Here is the my terminal. I open it. Let open the git bash. Now here is the git bash. Okay, it still running. It okay, accept this. I accept the command. Now it making the folders and files. You can look here. It making some more files for the project, and also it make the some files. And here is the my git bash terminal. Now I think the files are completed. Now this time we are going to making the Conda env for this project. I like the Python 3.11, so I write here, and here is the command conda env create minus f environment dot yml. So I paste it here in the terminal. Now it running, it making the environment. Okay, it start the processing. Now it installing libraries inside the Conda environment with the help of one command. That is good. Before we continue this video, I have a request for you. Please subscribe my channel and set notification on all, and also like this video, and thanks for watching. Environment is almost ready, then we will do the task of this project. Here I activate the conda env, and here is the command to run the EDA file. I enter it, and now it running. Okay, it's saving images and run out. Here is the correlation heat map, and here is the model count of cars by model. Now here is the distribution of car prices, and here is the price versus mileage image plot, and here is the price versus year plot. This is the box plot. Now move to our train the model, and here is the command to train the model, train.py. Now it training models, and also showing here in the terminal. Let's see. Now here it save the XGBoost model. Why it save it? because the R square is 0.9478. Now here I run the command to run the Streamlit app. Now the Streamlit app is running. Now here is the app BMW used car price predictor. Here is the price of the used car. Now I am going to putting some values to check the result of the prediction. Let's see. Basically, I'm going to testing the app. So let's test the app. Now the app is done. This time we are going to fill up the readme. It also make the readme, but not it fill up the readme like we understand. So let's do this work with the help of Google Antigravity agentic workflow. So here I am writing the prompt to do the task. Now I run the Google Antigravity. So let's see the README file. Here is the README file. It fill up the README file. Now it looking like the professional documentation of the project. You can use this README file to understand the project also. In this project, we used BMW used car data. This was our today video. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, then hit the like button. When you like and subscribe, it encourages us to make more videos. So please quickly do this. And how you can get the link of a repository? I always paste the link of repository in the description of the video. You can check the link of the repository, and then you can get the source code of the project. And we will meet again. Bye bye.